If you have been earning for a few years and you still do not have a structured savings plan, you are not alone. Most financial content in India is written for a generic audience. It does not account for the fact that we as a woman face a longer retirement to fund, a higher chance of a career break at some point, and statistically a longer life than men. According to Worldometer 2026 data, women in India have a life expectancy of approximately 74 years compared to around 71 years for men. That 3-year difference means your retirement income needs to last longer than a standard plan assumes. That 4-year difference means your retirement income needs to last longer than standard plan assumes. A savings plan for a salaried woman in India works best across 3 layers: a guaranteed saving plan for security, a market linked plan for long term growth, and a pension plan for retirement income. Each layer serves a different goal. Together, they cover the financial realities that are specific to our situation. In this video, you will get a practical framework to build that 3-layer plan step by step. 3 financial realities make a structured plan particularly important for us. The first is longer life expectancy. A longer life means a longer retirement. If you retire at 60 and live to 80 or beyond, your savings need to generate income for 20 to 25 years. A plan that only covers your working years leaves a gap at exactly the stage when you have no salary coming in. The second is career breaks. Many of us would choose to take time away from work at some point, for maternity, for childcare, for health recovery, for a family member, for a move, or just for ourselves. A break interrupts regular savings contributions and, in some cases, employer-linked benefits. A plan you own independently outside of your employer keeps your savings on track regardless of your employment status. The third is the most financial planning defaults to a male timeline and male income assumptions. A savings plan designed for your situation starts with your numbers, your timeline, and your goals. The first layer is security. A guaranteed saving plan gives you a fixed, known return at the end of the policy term along with life cover during that period. You know before you sign exactly what you will receive at maturity. The return does not depend on markets. Capital is protected. For a salaried woman, this layer matters particularly because it gives you certainty over a portion of your retirement income regardless of what happens in equity markets or your career. Even if you take a career break and pause other savings, this layer is already working. Before buying, ask the insurer for the internal rate of return, also called IRR, in the benefit illustrations. The IRR is the actual rate at which your money grows after accounting for all premiums paid and all payouts received. It is the most reliable number to compare across plans. Under ABSLI's Har Insurance Suite, Har Nishchit and Har Assurance are 2 plans built for this layer. Har Nishchit is a guaranteed income plan that starts paying from the day your policy is issued. Har Assurance is a participating savings plan that combines life cover with cash bonuses if declared and a lump sum maturity benefit. Both come with the option to add a critical illness rider for coverage of women-specific conditions. Which one suits you depends on whether you want regular income from the start or a larger payout at the end of the term. The second layer is growth. A ULIP or unit-linked insurance plan combines life cover with market-linked investment. Part of your premium goes towards life cover. The rest is invested in funds of your choice, equity, debt, or a balanced mix. Over a period of 10 to 15 years or more, equity funds have historically delivered stronger growth than guaranteed products. Returns are not guaranteed and depend on market performance. What makes a ULIP particularly useful for a salaried woman is the fund switching feature. You start with more in equity while your timeline is long. As your goal approaches, you shift gradually to debt funds to protect what you have built. There is also the career break question. Most salaried women at some point step away from work, even briefly. A ULIP with a systematic withdrawal facility lets you draw regular amounts from your accumulated fund during that period without surrendering the policy. Your cover stays active and your corpus keeps working. IRDAI mandates a minimum 5-year lock-in for all ULIPs. You cannot access the money during this period. After the lock-in, partial withdrawals are typically available. Under ABSLI's Her Insurance Suite, Her Growth is a ULIP built for this layer. It gives you a choice of 5 investment strategies and 21 funds so you can match your allocation to your risk appetite and timeline. It includes the systematic withdrawal facility for regular income during a career break. And when the critical illness rider is added to the base plan, it covers women's specific conditions including breast, ovarian, cervical, and uterine cancers, severe osteoporosis, and certain autoimmune conditions. The third layer is retirement income. A pension plan converts a lump sum into a guaranteed regular income after you retire. You pay into it during your working years. At a date you choose, called the vesting age, income begins. For women, this layer is particularly important because of longer life expectancy. A woman retiring at 60 may need retirement income for 25 years or more. A guaranteed income plan removes the uncertainty of whether your savings will last long enough. The longer you defer your payouts, the higher your annual income. Under ABSLI's Her Insurance Suite, Her Retirement is the pension plan built for this layer. This is powered by the ABSLI Guaranteed Annuity Plus and offers guaranteed lifelong income with the option to defer your payout by up to 5 years for a higher annual amount. To put a number to it, a 45 years old woman investing rupees 10 lakh as a single premium receives rupees 67,386 per year starting from year 1. Defer that payout by 5 years and the same investment pays rupees 87,872 per year. Same money, meaningfully higher income, 5 extra years of patience. Here is a 5-step process. Go through each one in order. Step 1. Calculate how much retirement income you will need. Estimate your monthly expenses at retirement and account for the fact that costs rise over time. A commonly used benchmark is saving 15 to 20% of your monthly income towards retirement. Step 2. Work out how much life cover you need. Your cover should be at least 10 to 15 times your annual income. This is separate from your savings plan. A term plan handles your family's protection. Your savings layer builds your own financial future. Step 3. Split your savings budget across 3 layers. Security first, with a guaranteed savings plan like Her Nishchit and Her Assurance as your financial floor. Growth second, with a market-linked plan like Her Growth for long-term wealth creation. Retirement income third, with a retirement to fund the years after you stop working. Each plan serves a distinct goal. Together, they cover protection, growth, and income across your full financial timeline. Step 4. Account for a possible career break before you buy. Check whether the plan allows a premium holiday or reduced premiums during your break. Confirm this in writing with the insurer before signing. Step 5. Start now. The earlier you start, the longer compounding works in your favor. A plan started today at a consistent amount delivers more over 20 years than a larger plan started 2 years from now. You have just seen how the 3 layers work in practice. Her Nishchit and Her Assurance for your financial floor, Her Growth for long-term wealth creation, and Her Retirement for guaranteed income after you stop working. ABSLI has built each of 3 specifically for women under one suite called Her Insurance. Plan details, product illustrations, and premium calculators are all the link in the description. Before I wrap up, here are the 3 questions I get asked most about building a savings plan as a salaried woman in India. What happens to my insurance plan if I take a career break? Most guaranteed savings and endowment plans require regular premium payments. Missing premiums can lapse the policy. Check the specific plan terms before buying if a career break is a possibility. How much should a salaried woman save per month for retirement in India? A commonly used benchmark is saving 15 to 20% of monthly income towards retirement. For a salaried woman with a longer life expectancy, the target amount should account for 25 to 30 years of post-retirement income. Start with what you can commit to consistently. Amount matters less than consistency in the early years. Can a salaried woman buy life insurance in her own name in India? Yes. Any earning individual, including salaried women, can buy life insurance in their own name. Having your own policy ensures your financial plan is not dependent on your spouse's cover and gives you independent financial security. You now have a 3-layer savings plan built for a specific situation, not a generic one that was never designed with you in mind. Hit like, subscribe, and her insurance plan details are in the description.